TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a software tool, Chrome extension that you use if you are running a YouTube channel. TubeBuddy has so many features, and a lot of them I have yet to explore properly. But I can tell you the specific things that I personally used it for and found this to be helpful, which is why I'm a paying subscriber. Keyword research with YouTube is different to other types of keyword research. So if you're doing Google keyword research or YouTube keyword research, it's different because people search on YouTube things which are different to Google or Bing or anything like that. TubeBuddy is relevant to specific YouTube. And since my business is very video heavy and very much based around YouTube as well, I like to know how to target different keywords. So TubeBuddy has a bunch of features that allows you to see what things are ranking, where could you rank for better, what keywords and tags should you include in your videos. It also has other features on A/B testing for thumbnails and things along these lines. And TubeBuddy is just a great tool. Now, I originally signed up for it when the pricing was extremely affordable, and I believe I'm paying less than $10 per month. Now, there are different plans on what it is that you're getting. So if you are using a VA to use TubeBuddy to do different things, then it's going to cost you more, things along these lines. But essentially what it does is it helps me figure out how to title my videos better so I can actually rank much better. So that's TubeBuddy, highly recommended. If you want to check it out, go to run.link/TubeBuddy. Additionally, I have a full tutorial on YouTube SEO and how to rank on page 1. So if you look somewhere around here, there's going to be a video that's called YouTube Free Mini Course. And you can check that out and go through that video. It's a much more extensive tutorial on how I use TubeBuddy and how I rank videos on page 1 of YouTube.